One of the most common reasons businesses run out of cash is because they run out of operating cash or working capital, whatever that is. Well, of course it's current assets, less current liabilities. Stock and your debtors, which is what your customers owe you. And current liabilities, well, they're the money you owe other people, your creditors, your suppliers. That wasn't particularly helpful, was it? All that jargon and nonsense. So let's do something really simple. Let's meet Betty. Betty sells bobble hats. Business is booming and sales are growing at a very steady rate. Betty sells her hats from stock and she gives her customers 60 days to pay her. But she buys her hats from her suppliers who only give her 30 days. Are you beginning to see the problem? So Betty's buying more and more stock and her suppliers are really working hard to keep up. Now Betty is stuck because the problem's not solved by just selling to more and more customers, because that just makes that gap bigger and bigger. And Betty's run out of cash. She's got no more cash to buy stock to fulfill all those unfulfilled customer orders. Betty has run out of working capital. Or to put it another way, Betty is overtrading. Crazy as it may seem, her business is booming, yet she's run out of cash. Because she's trading over the resources, the cash resources that she has available in her business. So what can Betty do? So the first thing, she could go to her customers and see whether she could get them to pay her quicker. Maybe offer a discount or just renegotiate the terms. The second thing, she could do the same thing with her suppliers. Go to them, see whether they'll give her better terms, maybe 60 days, which will close that gap. Alternatively, she could say to her suppliers, can she have consignment stock? That way, she pays for the stock when she sells it, not when she has to buy it from them. And fourthly, she could look at the whole situation of how her business is financed. Maybe it's got to a size now where she needs to introduce some funding into her business to make it really work. So get your thinking bobble hat on and work out how you can manage your working capital better.